Hi everyone. English is a key that opens new doors. Learning it can be as joyful as a zoo trip. Each word is a new adventure waiting for you. Let's start.
Yesterday was a bright and happy day. I woke up early in the morning. I felt so excited because I was going to the zoo. The zoo is one of my favorite places. I love to see animals and birds. I got ready quickly. I wore my favorite shoes. I went with my best friend, Olivia. She was also very excited. We took the bus to the zoo. The ride was short but full of fun. We kept talking about the animals we would see. When we reached the zoo, we bought tickets. The gate of the zoo was big and colorful. There were pictures of lions, elephants, and monkeys on the walls. I felt like I was stepping into a new world. Olivia said, "This is going to be the best day." The first animal we saw was the lion. The lion was huge and strong. It had golden fur and a loud roar. Many people were standing to watch it. I whispered, "The lion is the king of the jungle." Next, we went to see the Wallahuzing. They were tall and gentle. One baby elephant was playing with water. It used its long trunk to splash water. I laughed and said, "So cute." We walked to the monkey section. The monkeys were so active. They jumped from one tree to another. One monkey made a funny face at us. Olivia and I laughed loudly. After that, we saw the giraffes. The giraffes had long necks and tall legs. They were eating leaves from a tall tree. One giraffe bent down to look at us. I felt like it was saying hello. We kept walking around. There were zebras with black and white stripes. They looked like moving paintings. Some zebras were running in the field. They looked so free and happy. Then we saw the bears. The bear was big and furry. It was eating honey slowly. One bear was lying down and resting. It looked calm and peaceful. We also saw colorful parrots. They were sitting on a branch. Some parrots were talking. One parrot said, "Hello." Everyone laughed when they
heard it. Later, we went to the crocodile area. The crocodile was lying still in the water. It opened its mouth very wide. I felt a little scared. Olivia said, "Don't worry. It is behind glass." We walked more and saw peacocks. The peacock opened its feathers. The colors were bright and shiny. It looked like a dancing rainbow. I clapped because it was so beautiful. We also visited the penguins. They were walking in a funny way. Some were swimming in the water. They looked small and cute.
Olivia said, "I wish I could touch them." After a long walk, we felt hungry. We sat near the zoo cafe. We ate sandwiches and drank juice. The air was fresh and cool. We felt happy and relaxed. After lunch, we saw the tiger. The tiger was strong and fast. It walked slowly in the cage. Its eyes looked very sharp. I thought, this animal is powerful. We also saw the kangaroos. They jumped very high. One kangaroo carried a baby in its pouch. I had never seen that before. It was amazing to watch.
We kept walking and saw more animals. We saw deer running in the open field. We saw owls sitting quietly on a tree. We saw flamingos standing on one leg. Every animal was different and special. At the end of the day, we visited the souvenir shop. I bought a small toy lion. Olivia bought a keychain with a giraffe. We both smiled and said, "This day was perfect." It was truly the best day at the zoo. When we left the zoo, the sun was setting. The sky turned orange and pink. I felt a little tired, but very happy. I thought about all the animals I saw. I said to myself, I will come again. On the bus ride home, Olivia and I talked more. We shared our favorite animals of the day. She liked the monkeys the most. I liked the lion the most. We both agreed that the zoo was wonderful. At night, when I reached home, I told my mom everything. She listened with a big smile. She said, I am glad you enjoyed your day. I kept thinking about the zoo even before